Card sorting is an advanced question type that is only available to our Research Edition license holders. Adding a question is very simple. You can either add an open sorting question or a closed card sorting question. To start off, let's look at how the phone manufacturer uses closed card sorting to collect information on what features matters most to a customer. This helps with understanding features that matter most, then draw inferences about price sensitivity and pricing capabilities, easily edit answer options in bulk, and also define the category types in bulk. When you preview the question, you can drag and drop the answer into buckets. You can also reorder the answer options under buckets to collect an accurate representation of what's important. To analyze the survey data, go into Analytics and scroll down to the answer options. We offer an industry-first 4 types of viewing the data: clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, stacked bar chart, and stacked column chart. Look at data in a way that works best for your brand. And you can also view this data in a table representation to easily make sense of its multiple categorizations. Each line item in the answer is easily viewed under an easy-to-read tabular format in the answer selections. This also shows the average rank for each answer option. Open card sorting. The other type of card sorting we allow is open card sorting. This question type can be used in the event of wanting to understand how large sets of respondents perceive the important data sets. Head into the advanced question types on adding a question and click on card sorting. Head into settings on the question and select your question type to be open card sorting from its default closed card sorting. Immediately, the bucket options disappear from the screen, and you can update the question to the previous question about smartphone features that are most important to respondents. When you preview the question, you can start by dragging and dropping the answer options into categories that you define. Enter a category name every time you add a new category. These category headings are at the discretion of the survey respondent and offers a lot more insight into a selection option by the respondent. The analysis of this question is rather simple to understand. We offer a tabular heat map that no one else in the industry offers. This heat map shows a percentage breakdown of categorization for each answer option. For repeat answer options, we also provide predictive answer options when respondents bucket options under a previously selected answer option. This provides the ability to get a collective response from respondents. The heat map offers a snapshot view of each time an answer option was put into a certain bucket by a respondent. The tabular view represents the same data into a format that is just numerical but also easy to read. It also displays the average rank of each answer option under each bucket.